Hello, today we are going to discuss how and why Earth seasons occur. Our objectives for today are that students will be able to explain how Earth's tilt and revolution around the sun affect its seasons. Students will also be able to identify which latitude receives the most direct sunlight. This applies to the Intermediate Science Curriculum Standard 4, Performance Indicator 1.1i, which states that the tilt of Earth's axis of rotation and the revolution of Earth around the sun cause seasons on Earth. The length of daylight varies depending on latitude and season. Earth is tilted about 23 degrees on its axis of which it spins. As Earth revolves around the sun, the tilt causes the seasons that we experience. When a hemisphere is tilted towards the sun, that hemisphere is experiencing summer, while a hemisphere that is tilted away from the sun is experiencing winter. Here we can see that this is the northern hemisphere and it is tilted towards the sun. That means it is experiencing summer while the southern hemisphere is experiencing winter because it is tilted away. Since the Earth is tilted, this causes the equator to not receive the most direct sunlight. Instead, the Tropic of Cancer, which is 23.5 degrees north, and the Tropic of Cancer, which is 20.5 degrees south, receive the most direct sunlight. Earth's tilt is the reason we experience seasons.